Welcome to Mohawk College Co-Curricular Record. In this video, we'll show you how to validate a pending co-curricular record position. Let's get started. First, log on to your My Mohawk account. Once you're logged in, select the Campus Life tab. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Co-Curricular Record button. From there, you will be brought to the Career Ready page. On the left, click on the Co-Curricular Record tab and ensure that the Validator Role tab is selected. Under the Pending tab, select the position to be approved by clicking on the student's name. Review the record position details to ensure all information is correct. Students must have between 2 to 5 achievements selected and a minimum of 5 hours entered. If you need to edit the hours entry information, select the pencil icon next to the entry. Make the necessary corrections and hit Save. If all information is correct, click on the blue Approve Validation button at the bottom of the page. From there, you have the option of sending an approval email to the student. Check the box, then personalize the message by adding your name. Once complete, click on the blue Approve button. The position has now been validated. You can continue to validate other positions as required by selecting the Validator Role tab. Now you're all set. Mohawk College, Career Ready.